Okay, everyone, we are back. Brews and News Coffee Reviews in New York City, my hometown. I'm going to take you to Brooklyn. We're going to jump on the subway right here, get on the R train, and just go downtown to downtown Brooklyn to one of the most famous places in all of New York City, Junior's Restaurant, home of the Junior's Cheesecake, which is imported all over the country, maybe all over the world. I don't know about that. All I know is New York City, DeKalb Avenue. You get off on the R train, walk up the block, and you head right to Junior's Cheesecake. Not only do they have the cheesecake over there, there's a full restaurant, like a diner kind of situation. They've got some very famous barbecue. I had a cheeseburger. We're obviously going to poke our head in the window and take a look at all the cheesecakes and what they're doing with that. So stay tuned. Brews and News Coffee Reviews coming to you from Brooklyn, New York. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Okay, everyone, so we're here at DeKalb Avenue and Harry Rosen Way, right in downtown Brooklyn, just a couple of stops from Barclays Center where the Nets play, in a very hot neighborhood right near Metro Tech in New York City. We're just a couple of subway stops away from Manhattan, and we got Junior's Cheesecake, and not only Junior's Cheesecake, but obviously Junior's Restaurant. They got a big diner menu, but obviously the cheesecake is what they're most known for. As you can see, there's plenty of flavors, plenty of varieties. Classic cheesecake, pineapple, fruit cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake. I don't know what that red swirl is. It doesn't really matter. The main thing is the creaminess of the cheesecake is world famous. And as you can see, they got a lot of them on display there. It's just right when you walk in, you can see all the pastry areas. They have a to-go area. You can buy full cheesecakes. You can buy partial cheesecakes. They've got the black and white cookies. They've got the little mini version of black and white cookies, and then as you go down, you can see the full black and white cookie, which is a New York staple. You can't go anywhere in New York, especially in the bagel shops and whatever, without seeing a black and white cookie. I love them. So as you can see, this is the individual area where you can pick up like just one slice of something or a variety of slices and then take it home. Or if you're staying in the city, back to your hotel room. But I did have lunch here, or I should say dinner, and we walked back. This is the area where I was sitting. The place is huge. I mean, it goes all around the corner, and that's this isn't even a parklet. This was here before all the pandemic stuff was going on. There's our menu. They obviously have a bar. Those napkins are preset at the table. They are spectacular. You gotta love that. They have their own mustard brand. Got the ketchup, salt, pepper, all that over there, obviously. But the main thing is, let's go into the menu. So the menu is really big. I showed you little pieces of it. Obviously, they have breakfast all day. They have classic sandwiches, our famous barbecue. I didn't have it today, but I've had barbecue there in the past. Oh, of course, the desserts. I mean, there's too many of them to even mention. I mean, they have an ice cream. They have like a soda fountain kind of thing with shakes and ice cream. And you can see the classic metal roof. Well, I guess ceiling, not really roof. It was around Christmas time. It's after Christmas, but I guess they leave the decorations up a little longer. That's my cheeseburger. Okay, the cheeseburger is, I don't know if I should say world famous, but it is really, really good. I know to have it. That's the cheeseburger, fries, and then the onion rings, obviously. As you can see, cooked perfectly. I ordered it medium rare. I got it medium rare. And then, of course, there's all the accoutrements I did on the side. It's extra, but I got the pickles. I got the vinegar coleslaw. I got the beets. I mean, you can't go to New York City and not have the pickles and the cucumbers and all that stuff. So definitely go ahead and order that. It's worth it, especially if there's multiple people. Then we've got dessert. And as you can tell, there's way too many to choose from. But I'm here because I want to show you cheesecake. So I ordered the cheesecake. And of course, you can't have cheesecake without a good cup of coffee from New York. So there's the coffee. There's our cheesecake. As you can see, it is classic, rich, creamy, velvety, delicious. I mean, it is murder on your diet, but you know, you're not here for the diet. If you're worried about like having a good meal that's healthy for you, maybe elsewhere would be the place to go. This is a treat. Or if you just don't care because you're skinny all the time and you just feel good, just go to town on it. Have the cheesecake. And that's me cutting into it, give you an idea of how smooth and creamy the cheese was. I mean, I can't even tell you how delicious it was because words can't describe it. Whatever you think of as cheesecake, triple it, and that's pretty much what the cheesecake tastes like. And that's me eating it. Of course, my big fat mouth, really enjoying it. excellent stuff. I mean, I can't even tell you how much I was looking forward to this, and I'm glad I thought I was in New York for other things, and I'm glad I thought to come to Junior's. When you pay the bill, you get this Junior's Cheesecake postcard. I brought one home and gave it to my father-in-law. He's a collector of like stuff like that, and that's the outside. That's Junior's Cheesecake, Junior's restaurant. I'm just standing out there. It's so loud. I wanted to say some stuff, but I just didn't want to like have all the traffic noise and everything. I mean, it is New York, so obviously we've got a hell of an experience. And when you're in New York, get down to Brooklyn. It's just over the bridge from Manhattan, from Lower Manhattan. It's just a couple of stops on the subway. You can get into downtown Brooklyn and go to Junior's. You won't feel bad about it. I mean, you can, look, let's just put it this way. It's New York City. You can walk around afterwards and work those calories off. I can tell you it's been a while since I lived in New York, and when I was walking around doing everything I had to do, I mean, my legs were tired. I'm just out of walking shape. So I burned off a lot of calories. I ate way too much, but I burned off a lot of calories. So come to Junior's. This is Brews and News Coffee Reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. New York City.